In this video, we will show you how to block mail in Gmail. To block mail in Gmail, it's very easy. First, you can find the email that you want to block, for example, from the inbox. Okay, for example, I have these people, and because we think this is a spam, we can block this email address. You can see this is the email address, okay, and the name is here. You can just click this button, okay. I'm sorry, just click this button and select block this person, okay. Just click block here. After that, you can block this person with the email address here. Just click block. After you block this email, in any future, if you want to unblock this, okay, because it will gone the email, you can just click the settings, okay. Just choose settings here and select see all settings, okay. Then select filters and blocked address. You can see the people is already blocked here. In the future, you can unblock the people. If you want to unblock this, you can also select all and unblock them, okay. But if you think this is nothing needed, you can just let it the blocked people here. Okay, that's all tutorial how you can block mail in Gmail and how you can also unblock them in the future. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.